Hello, it's me again, Sabit Christopher. Welcome back to Subtech Online. Today we are going to look at how do we add leading zeros, or we can call them prefix, on number formats in Excel. Now we are going to look at two ways how to do that. You're going to look at the first way, where you find that you already have the numbers, but you want to add the leading zeros. Take an example. This is a phone number, but it starts with a 0 and you don't have a 0. And remember, in Excel, the moment you start typing 0777 this, the moment you enter it, it neglects the 0, it drops the 0. So that's what we are going to look at, such that if I type the same number 777293933 and enter, it automatically adds a 0. So that's what we are going to look at. How do you change that in Excel? Then another thing that we are going to also look at, how we use an ampersand formula to create a leading zero. So that one is just a simple formula. So please, let's start. Stay with us up to the end of this video. Okay, now this is, I'm going to delete all this, delete this, and take back this to number. Now the first thing to add a leading zero is, if you already have numbers which are existing, I'm just going to copy these numbers, then paste them as values. So we neglect the 0. We don't need the decimals. Now when you already have the numbers existing, select your numbers. There are two options of to access the number formats. Either you use a control 1, it will open the dialog for number formats, or you right click and look for format cells, still it will open the dialog for number formats, or you go to the ribbon home on numbers, you click on that down expand arrow. So when you click on it, it still opens the number format. Now you go to the number formats, click on custom. We have the 0 here. Now we need to have 10 digits, of which already we have 9 digits. So which means the 10th digit should be the leading 0. So I'm going to type 10 zeros. So this is 1 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the moment I do 10, you also do see the preview, which is the sample, is already having the leading 0. If I added the 11th, you'll see they will become 2 leading zeros. Okay, so we remove the 1 0 because we need only 10 digits. So it remains 07 blah blah. So when I do OK, automatically the leading 0 will be added. So if I want to copy this number format to another cell, which means I will just do a format painter. If I copy it here, which means if I type like 1 2 3 and enter, it will have to make the 10 digits, and all the others will be the leading zeros. So that's how you can create leading 0 on existing number formats. Now going forward using the ampersand formula, so here it will be equal to, it is just a 0, then and ampersand, then you click on the existing, that is cell reference that. Okay, then you'll be getting this which is already having a leading 0. But when you note the difference between the two, the first option gives leaves the number in number formats, which means when you select this, you can do the summation, you can do the average or the arithmetics. But this one, the second option, is it changes the number formats into text. So which means, you see, when I select them, I can't have the arithmetics, I only have the count, which is 13. Then now there is another option. Of formatting the blank cells before entering, which I've already told you. I can say, if I format these blank cells, we do the same procedure. If I add 1 2 3 4 5 zeros and I enter, It means that any digit I enter here has to have 5 digits, but if it doesn't exceed 5, then the balance will be leading zeros. If I enter 1, 2, 3, enter, you see, that is it. If I enter 1, you see. If I enter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, this one doesn't bring because it is already exceeding 5 digits. So that's how you can do it. If you find this one useful, please go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that red button to share with a friend, and we meet in another video. Bye bye.